Hi everyone, I'm Annette Morris and I'm going to put together my Valentine hot station. But first I need to do some cleaning, so I'll be doing my cleanup and then my setup. So I want you to sit back and relax. This is my late night cleanup, relaxing time, and I want to take you on the journey with me. Okay? So sit back and relax, listen to the music, and enjoy. So just finished cleaning a little, and this is my setup so far. Just gonna pan around here so you can see. And my counter space, I really love it because it gives me a deep working area because it's a corner. It's L-shaped, and this actually is the corner right here that goes all the way back. And because this is a corner, I have to put light back there. And I mentioned in my hot beverage and soup station that this here is the LED light that I just purchased, and so far it's working out okay. And now I have everything in place for Valentine's Day, or for the month of Valentine. How about that? I still have this in place. I'm not going to change this. Just going to go through and clean up things a little. And so this is my look so far for my Valentine hot station. And I want to show two more things that I'm adding to that station. These two placemats here. I'm undecided on which ones I want to go with. I picked them up at Walmart, and I want you to decide which one you think look okay in this area at my hot station. This is the first one here. I like it because for the Valentine hot station, it have the word love on there. And I thought that worked out really good. Then this is my next one here. I really like this one, of course, because of the colors. Let's go in with my color thing. Okay, so I'm really finishing this up here, and I want to make sure I put the sugars in place. Not enough equals sugar. So what does that mean? I have to go shopping again. Okay, take a look. So what do you think? I'm thinking I might add more of those clear teacups to the mugs. I kind of like to have more than less at the station, as you can see. And I think like people like using these little teacups instead of the mugs when it comes to tea. Okay, putting these in place. And I hope you have enjoyed hanging out with me tonight with my nighttime cleaning and putting together my Valentine hot station. And I'm still not decided on these placemats. There's one more thing missing. Of course, I have to put the cookies in place. After all that baking, and here they are. I've been planning on making cookies like this for some time, so I'm glad I got a chance to do this for this station. What do you think? I think I did pretty good. Now, this is the first look with this placemat. And coming up, we're going to do the second look with the second placemat. Now, don't forget to comment down below and let me know which one you really think works okay with this hot station for Valentine's Day. And this is my second look. I'm kind of partial with this one because of the colors, of course. And now my cookies are in place with this one. So this is the second look. And what do you think about this? So this is my second video on my series of Countdown to Valentine's Day. I hope you have enjoyed. I have several collaborations that I work with in between time, and I hope you got a chance to go and check those out. I have about one more video to come. But for now, this is my Valentine hot station with my homemade Valentine cookies. So thank you for watching, and thank you for taking the time to clean with me and to set up my station for Valentine's Day. I do weekly home decor and DIYs, so stay tuned for more to come. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe down below. Press that red and white button to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and comment also down below. I want to thank you for taking the time to clean with me and to set up my station for Valentine's. And of course, I'll see you next time.